Hi everyone, welcome back to Amin Teaches English, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're going to talk about phrasal verbs with up. These verbs emphasize the idea of completion, completing, or finishing something. Let's dive in and learn more about them through a short story and some examples. When we add up to certain verbs, it doesn't change the meaning of the verb, but emphasizes that something is completed. What I'm about to teach you all right now are the separable phrasal verbs with the preposition up. But first, let's start with a short story to see how these phrasal verbs are used in context. Emma had a very busy morning. She made her son eat up his breakfast and drink up his juice before he left for school. After he was gone, she cleared up the breakfast dishes and put the dirty ones in the dishwasher. She was planning to wash the floor, but she realized she had used up all the floor cleaner the previous day. So instead, she tidied up the living room. Now let's look at each phrasal verb from the story and understand what they mean. First, we have eat up. This means to finish eating all the food. For example, if you are at a restaurant and you have a delicious meal in front of you, your friend might say, make sure you eat up your dinner before it gets cold. Next is drink up. This means to finish drinking all the liquid. Imagine you are having a picnic and there's a bit of lemonade left in your glass. Your friend could say, drink up your lemonade before we leave. Then we have clear up. This means to clean and put things away. For instance, after a big party, you might need to clear up the mess in the living room. Another phrasal verb is use up. This means to finish all of something so that there is none left. Let's say you were painting and you realize there is no paint left. You might say, I used up all the blue paint on the last project. Finally, we have tidy up. This means to make a place neat and clean. For example, before guests arrive at your house, you might tidy up your bedroom, right? To make it look nice and clean. Now let's practice using these phrasal verbs. I'll give you some sentences and you can fill in the blanks with the correct phrasal verbs. All right? Number 1. Before leaving the house, you should your toys. That's it. The answer is tidy up. So the complete sentence is, before leaving the house, you should tidy up your toys. Number 2, make sure to your juice before we go. The answer is drink up. So the complete sentence is make sure to drink up your juice before we go. All right, now it's your turn. Please drop the answers to the following sentences down below in the comment section, all right? The first sentence is, I need to buy more soap because I ate all yesterday. Number 2, after the party, we have to the living room. Number 3, don't forget to all your vegetables. Once you've dropped your answers, you can see the correct answers in the pinned comment below. Great job, everyone. Today we learned about phrasal verbs with up and how they emphasize completing an action. We saw them in a short story first and practiced using them in different sentences. Now I want you to keep practicing and soon you'll be using them like a pro. And if you found this video helpful, I would appreciate it if you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun English lessons. Leave a comment down below now with a sentence using one of today's phrasal verbs and I'll check it out. Thanks for watching and see you next time.